I mean, come on. Can you believe this entire drum kit just came from a word prompt? Check this out. And check it out in the context of a remix I'm working on. Like, this is impressive. What is this magic? This is Drum GPT. Let's check it out. Drum GPT is a very fun way to get incredibly unique and high quality drum kits just from words you type in. I mean, it's so fun. Let me show you this. Adding in a blank instance of it, and it has these fun little prompts already ready for you. So for example, there's like this deep booming trap hit kit with clarity. Incredible. So I click on that, it loads after a few seconds. And then just by clicking on this drum tab, boom, we got access to all these different ways of playing these drums. So I just mapped it to this. I just plugged in a MIDI controller, and then notice how not really getting any sound. So one thing I do just to get it rocking, number one, I can just go up and down the octave on here, which to make it consistent for when I'm using these. Little pro tip, just to add in a MIDI device. So I'll go for a pitch MIDI device here on Ableton, and all DAW should have something like this. So we take that pitch and we'll go -24. -24 semitones are down 2 octaves. And now, very handily now, this C set to our kick drum, and our different drums are set here. Yeah, fun kick and snare. Not crazy about what it made for these hi-hats. So let's make our own prompt, right? So let's go home and get rid of all that. What do you think? What type of drum would you like to meet? Let's do funky electronic drums with crunch. See what it does for that. Cool, and you can make adjustments right in here. So let's say I clicked on this kick, I want this pitch to be lower. Volume up. Let's say you wanted that snare to be higher pitch. Boom, just click on it. That's a fun kit right there already. Kick, snare, and you have a clap right here, so you can just play all this. If you don't have a MIDI controller, you just kind of program it in, or you can play it right here. But yeah, it's really fun to take the kits you make in Drum GPT, plug into MIDI controllers, you can kind of play along with it. Very fun. So the one I was using along with this remix I was making, so this is, again, this prompt I added in, I thought was pretty fun. Deep forest booming wub drums. And so without the compressor, it was pretty quiet, But I just added a compressor and boosted it a few dB. Got that fun rumble at the end. And then this rim click. And there's no effects on here, which is cool. It just kind of has that in there. And one other pro tip is, for example, you can just add a tuner, right? Add a tuner device, or even sometimes you have EQs that can tell you which note you're at. And so for that low kick, you can play a kick and then follow it around, right? So you see I got this kick rumbling at D. And then if I pull back up the instance of Fader Drum GPT, the pitch right here, it starts off at 0, right? So it starts off at noon, this pitch knob. I brought it down -5 steps, and I just use that to kind of follow along and get it to line up with this pitch at D, because I have this song that hits the low key of D. So let's hear that. So this kick kind of lines up with the remix I'm making. Very cool. And yes, just a compressor and Drum GPT. Such cool sounds already right out the gate. All right, yeah, so let's pull back up that instance of Drum GPT. Let's say this wasn't lining up exactly where we wanted. We could bring it down in pitch, so let's experiment with some different pitches for this. right, so I just click on this Tom 2, and I'm just adjusting this pitch dial right here. Already that fits much better with the song, thanks to these handy controls right within Drum GPT. And that's Drum GPT. Just like that, you can get unique drum samples ready for production. You could start with a simple idea and end up with something truly original. Hopefully, this inspires you to start creating. Go make some music. And when you're ready for some more inspiration, come on back to the Fader YouTube channel for some more tips, tricks, and inspirations. All right, see you next time.